Hello, my name is Joanna, and aka Rare Chef. Today I'm going to be making a Southwestern sauce. I'm going to be doing fried pickles later on, and I will probably be doing it 3 ways like I did with the cheese sticks that I did earlier, like I think it was last year. And so that video. But anyway, starting off with 1/2 cup of ranch sauce. Grab another spoon to get that out. Okay. Okay, and now teaspoon of adobo sauce. This is the liquid form. I do have powder also. And then we'll put in the powder form. I have other measuring spoons in here. I can do it. Doing 1/2 teaspoon of the adobo powder. This stuff has garlic in it, so there is plenty of garlic powder in there. Okay, I'm going to mix this up a little bit now, and I'll get back to it. And that's probably nowhere near enough of the adobo. I'm going to stick some more in. So I'll do another tablespoon. So three teaspoons equals a tablespoon. I'm trying to get this to change colors. And this is the dairy-free ranch sauce that Hidden Valley makes. So you're still not changing colors. So try again. Getting there. I don't know how much more this is going to change colors, but we can. I'll put 5 in this time, so that'll make it 4 tablespoons. That should do it. Okay, next up I'm going to add in some tahini. So this is another one I want to keep pretty light, so I'm doing a half a teaspoon. And some smoked paprika. And a little black pepper in, just a few. And adding a little bit of lime juice. And then I might add in some hot sauce, but I doubt I'm going to add that much. As you get older, you lose your ability to handle the spice normally. With most of us, it's about 3 squirts. I'm going to see what it's like now. Grab a small teaspoon. These are kind of decorative things. I have used them in the chili rellenos and other things too. They're good for tasting. I put a little bit too much of the pepper of the adobo, and I don't think I need this. So that's going to be it. And so I'll be back on to do the fried pickles in just a second. I am doing them without flour. So it's just going to be egg whites, milk, and breadcrumbs. I am on a low protein diet, and so I got to keep stuff down. I think with this clinical trial, I raised my levels too high too fast, and so I need to take my levels down now. So I will see what I can do. And thanks for your and I'll be back. So I probably will split these videos. So if you like these videos, please like, subscribe, share, comment, and thanks for your time.